51 days left until crypto millionaires will be made.
Coach JV is 100% right. And if you don't understand at least one of these things in this video, it could potentially cost you the entire cycle and all the profit you're going to make this year. Bitcoin has always been a flight to quality and will always continue to be a flight to quality. The largest asset manager in the world, BlackRock, their CEO Larry Fink has literally called Bitcoin this, despite calling it a fraud many months before. And he proves this by setting a record literally yesterday. After yesterday's all-time high for Bitcoin, BlackRock literally bought the dip. Why aren't you buying the dip? Their ETF reported having over $700 million of Bitcoin inflows, suggesting that they bought the dip, hitting a new record of 183,000 Bitcoins under their management. And we're only getting started. Most banks haven't even supported a Bitcoin ETF yet for their clients. And yes, Wall Street wins every single time. There's nothing you can do to change that. But here are the good catalysts this year so that you can make a boatload of money and change your life in crypto. Number one, an election year, right? During election years, we can see the stock market and the crypto markets increase by an average of 10%. Obviously, we know that crypto goes up hundreds of thousands of percent. And I don't talk about a lot of politics on here. However, we can assume there's going to be policy changes, right? Candidacy, marketing campaigns and stuff for all that, just so that, they can pump up the prices, right? Lower gas, you know all that stuff. But stocks go up. Number two, rate cuts. Jerome Powell just spoke about a couple hours ago saying that the Fed is still going to have rate cuts at some point this year to tackle inflation. We know that when rates go down, borrowing money becomes cheaper and people are able to use their credit more. And reason number three, the Bitcoin halvening, which is happening in about 42 days. Now, I've already made hundreds of videos talking about the halvening and recently too, so you can go to my page and check out all the other ones I talk about. However, the halvening does not affect the market as much as people think it does. We've actually never hit an all-time high before halvening before. So if you want to learn more about that, go check out that other video. But overall, I'm extremely bullish and we're going to be entering price discovery soon for Bitcoin. As always, you want to make sure you ladder in and ladder out. You never want to sell all your position in one trade or one day or whatever because the price is so volatile, it's always moving. And you also want to convert all your profits into real estate, real assets, insurance, like JV said. And the best for last, I've literally created the #1 crypto airdrop guide on TikTok, and I literally made it less than the cost of one airdrop. I've made over 6 figures farming airdrops before, and I want to show you guys how to do it for free. Most of them don't require anything but your time and tab. So if you want to check that out, it's going to be attached right here. Make sure you follow to learn more.